Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Home Remedy Rescue, where we're dedicated to bringing you the most valuable and trustworthy home remedies and health tips every week. We appreciate your continued support and ask that you please subscribe and hit the bell button to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we'll be discussing home remedy methods to whiten teeth, strengthen the enamel, and improve gum health. A beautiful smile makes a great first impression, and strong teeth and gums are a hallmark of good health. We're going to bring you some of the most effective methods to achieve these things. Make sure to watch until the section about how to get stronger teeth and healthy gums. It may completely surprise you. Before we delve into these home remedy methods of tooth whitening, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. Now, let's begin. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste. Hydrogen peroxide and baking soda together form a powerful way to remove stains and whiten teeth. Your teeth may become whiter if you only use hydrogen peroxide because it is a bleaching agent and removes stains. The color of your teeth will be restored to their natural whiteness. However, we highly recommend a low concentration of hydrogen peroxide. This is because hydrogen peroxide in its concentrated form can cause damage to your enamel, so it is strongly recommended that you first dilute the peroxide with water before using it. Baking soda's abrasive properties help remove surface stains from teeth, giving the impression that they are whiter than they actually are. On the other hand, baking soda is ineffective at removing older stains. Because of this, combining it with hydrogen peroxide makes your teeth appear whiter. The ingredients come together to form a paste that stays on your teeth while you brush them. After thoroughly brushing with the paste, make sure to thoroughly rinse it off with water and then continue the process on a consistent basis. How to make baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide in a small bowl. Stir until a smooth paste is formed. Apply the paste onto your toothbrush and brush your teeth gently for 2 minutes. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Only use this remedy once a week for best results. Oil pulling. Teeth may give the impression of being a solid and dense material, but in reality, they are porous. There are tiny holes that, if food gets stuck in them, can lead to tooth decay. Additionally, certain foods have the potential to stain teeth. The practice of oil pulling calls for a person to spend around 15 minutes with a tablespoon or more of oil in their mouth, during which time they will pull the oil through their teeth in a series of pulsating motions. This is done in order to remove harmful bacteria from the mouth and tiny food particles from the teeth. By swishing the oil around in your mouth, you can remove bacteria that has accumulated on your teeth and in the spaces between your teeth, which is where cavities most frequently develop. The practice of oil pulling is an excellent illustration of a preventative measure for treating the teeth that makes use of a substance that is advantageous for dental health. The high percentage of fat found in the oils not only removes bacteria and food particles from the mouth, but also helps to strengthen the teeth. This lessens the porosity of the teeth, which in turn decreases the likelihood that bacteria and food particles will become lodged between them. Where there is less porosity, there are also fewer opportunities for staining. As is the case with everything else, not all oils are the same. The benefits of oil pulling are primarily derived from the fatty content of the oil, as well as the antibacterial properties of the oil. Because of this, it is essential to make use of either sesame oil, sunflower oil, or coconut oil. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which has antimicrobial properties that can help reduce plaque and bacteria in the mouth. Because sesame oil has a strong, toasted flavor, it may be hard to pull for long periods of time. Because of this, coconut oil and sunflower oil may be better choices, especially for people who are just starting to pull. Most of us know that going to the dentist can be stressful and expensive, but oil pulling is simple and can be done by anyone. Simply place a teaspoonful of one of the oils listed above into the mouth, and then move it around like you would with mouthwash for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse your mouth out with water into the sink after the 15 minutes have passed, and then take pleasure in having a fresh and clean mouth. Oil pulling with coconut oil. How to do it. Swish 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure to move the oil around your mouth, pushing and pulling it back and forth between your teeth. Spit out the oil into a trash can or sink. A teaspoon of oil alone is not likely to clog your drain. Rinse your mouth with warm water and brush your teeth as usual. You may practice oil pulling once a day, preferably in the morning before eating. Apple cider vinegar rinse. According to some reports, the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can dissolve plaque from teeth and treat stains brought on by smoking, drinking red wine, or drinking coffee. By eliminating bad bacteria and promoting healthy bacteria, apple cider vinegar is also hailed for enhancing overall oral health. The majority of people desire pearly white, movie star quality teeth, and apple cider vinegar may be a simple, affordable way to get a little closer to that objective. Just grab something from the pantry instead of setting up expensive, time-consuming office visits or teeth whitening treatments. Apple cider vinegar is becoming known as a natural alternative to commercial toothpastes and mouthwashes that whiten teeth. It can be mixed with water and used as a rinse or mouthwash, or it can be blended with baking soda and applied directly to the teeth as a paste. There is a catch, as there often is with cure-all remedies, with a pH of 3.0. Apple cider vinegar is extremely acidic, and using too much of it can harm dental enamel, which begins to deteriorate at a pH of 5.5. As the bright white outer layer of enamel erodes, it actually darkens the tooth surfaces. Too much acidity can deteriorate the outer enamel, which in turn can cause teeth to become sensitive. Even though apple cider vinegar is sometimes taken by mouth to help prevent colds and sore throats, it can also irritate the throat if it is taken straight. The secret to using apple cider vinegar successfully is to dilute it and use it sparingly. Apple cider vinegar is an organic, all-natural tooth whitening agent. Make sure to dilute the vinegar before it comes in contact with teeth to prevent harming the enamel. Wait at least 30 minutes after rinsing before brushing your teeth. Even when watered down, vinegar can be rough, so brushing the enamel surfaces of the teeth right away with a hard bristle can do more harm than good. Using apple cider vinegar as a whitening rinse won't give you brighter, whiter teeth right away. Over time, consistent use can result in a whiter smile. Just be sure to dilute it to prevent enamel degradation. Always check with a dentist to make sure it's the best option, even though they aren't always made from natural ingredients. Manufactured mouthwashes and toothpastes often work faster and are safer than natural ones. Apple cider vinegar could be a wise choice for natural tooth whitening if used carefully. For the greatest benefit with the least risk, use any product, natural or artificial, moderately and after consulting a health professional. How to make apple cider vinegar rinse. Dilute 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water in a small cup. Swish the mixture in your mouth for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Spit it out and rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Brush your teeth as usual. Use this remedy no more than once or twice a week to avoid damaging tooth enamel. Remember, while these home remedies can help to improve the appearance of your teeth, they should not replace regular dental checkups and cleanings. It's also important to maintain good oral hygiene habits, such as brushing and flossing daily. Before we get to how to get stronger teeth and healthy gums, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. How to get stronger teeth and healthy gums. It's great to have beautiful, clean, white teeth, but what about strong teeth and healthy gums? Did you know that there are naturally occurring compounds that can boost your dental health? There are specific foods that help to prevent cavities and improve gum health. The compounds are called phytochemicals. Phytochemicals are naturally occurring compounds found in plants that have various health benefits. Some of these compounds, particularly those found in foods like green tea and cranberries, have been shown to help prevent tooth decay. The primary reason for their effectiveness include their antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Several foods are high in phytochemicals that can help benefit oral health while being low in natural sugars. These include green tea. Green tea contains catechins, which are potent antioxidants that have antimicrobial properties. These catechins can help inhibit the growth of harmful oral bacteria and reduce inflammation, contributing to better gum health. Cranberries. Cranberries contain polyphenols, which can help prevent bacteria from sticking to teeth and forming plaque. Opt for unsweetened cranberry products or fresh cranberries to minimize sugar intake. Garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It can help fight oral bacteria and reduce the risk of gum disease and tooth decay. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as kale and spinach, are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote overall health, including oral health. They also contain compounds like quercetin and camphorol, which have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. It can help fight oral bacteria and may reduce inflammation in the gums. Shiitake mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms contain a compound called lentinin, which has antibacterial properties that can help inhibit the growth of oral bacteria and reduce plaque formation. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds, are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health, including oral health. Here are some everyday lifestyle tips to strengthen your tooth enamel to be used in conjunction with proper dental care. Eat a balanced diet. Consuming a diet rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly calcium and phosphorus, helps to support strong enamel. Foods like dairy products, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds are good sources of these essential nutrients. Limit acidic and sugary foods and beverages. Acidic and sugary substances can erode tooth enamel, so it's crucial to limit their consumption. Avoid frequent snacking on sugary or acidic items, and try to rinse your mouth with water after consuming them. Drink fluoridated water. Fluoride is a mineral that helps to strengthen tooth enamel by remineralizing it. Drinking water containing fluoride or using a fluoride mouth rinse can help to protect and strengthen your enamel. Practice good oral hygiene. Brush your teeth gently with a soft bristled toothbrush at least twice a day and floss daily. Regular brushing and flossing can help to remove plaque and bacteria that can weaken tooth enamel over time. Chew sugar-free gum. Chewing sugar-free gum, especially those containing xylitol, can help to stimulate saliva production. Saliva has a natural remineralizing effect on tooth enamel and can help to neutralize acids in the mouth. Use a straw. When drinking acidic or sugary beverages, using a straw can help to minimize contact between the liquid and teeth, reducing the enamel erosion. Visit your dentist regularly. Regular dental checkups and cleanings can help to identify and address any issues that might be affecting your tooth enamel. Your dentist can also provide personalized advice on how to strengthen and protect your enamel. Incorporating these habits into your daily routine can help to strengthen tooth enamel and promote better overall oral health. Click subscribe and the notification bell so you get more videos on the best home remedies and health tips. We hope you enjoyed and found value in the information we shared with you in this video on how to whiten and strengthen teeth and boost overall dental health. Beautiful, strong, and healthy teeth are a cornerstone of overall physical health. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips, and leave us a comment. Thanks for watching, and take care.